Hi students, this is session 25, creative strategy and advertising budget. Under that, today let me discuss the various types of advertisement copy. Let me recap the previous class. In this previous class, we discussed what is the meaning of advertisement copy, characteristics of advertisement copy, and various elements of advertisement copy. So, what is the theme of the our objective of this chapter is that to provide an understanding of creative strategy and advertisement budget. Next, the outcome of this session is the students will be able to explain the types of advertisement copy. So let me understand what is the meaning of advertising copy. An advertising copy is a term used to describe the main text used in the advertisement. The text could be it's in the dialogue or catchy punchline or company's dictum. It is a print or radio or television or advertising message that aims at developing and retaining an interest of the target customer and promoting him to purchase the product within a couple of seconds. Uh, Let me discuss what are the essentials of good advertisement copy. An ad advertisement copy is made of various principles, all of which are integrated in a few lines for the copy that the advertisers are allowed to engage. It combines search engine optimization with marketing strategies, and it is used in all kinds of advertisement, and not only pay per click and conceptual ads. The essentials of the good advertisements are like first one is credibility. So any advertisement copy that should contains of some kind of credibility, so that the target customers, okay, they will accept it, and also they will use it, and also they will encourage others to use it. Second one is attention. While making an advertisement copy, the marketer has to take a lot of attention, and also he has to see that who is their target customers, to whom we are giving what type of advertisement copy, which we have to make everything they has to do. Then third one is conforming. Conforming is also one of the element where it will come under advertisement copy. They have to conform about the advertisement, like in a simple language and symbols, whatever may be the sound which they are using, everything. Then apt is also one of the element, which will give what kind of visual things which you have to use, what kind of images we supposed to use, and that images should not give any kind of negative impact. Then everything should be clear, simple, and it should be brief, and it should give awareness of the benefits. See, whatever may be the advertisement copy, that should contain complete information about the product, and it should encourage the target customers, and also it should give complete awareness about the product. These are the essentials. Next one, let me discuss what are the types of advertising copy. So the first one is the descriptive advertising copy. So some advertisements which are in terms of descriptive, by reading that, customers will understand and they will buy it. Second one is personality advertising copy. Some advertisements it shows the personality, like, boost is the secret of my energy, or any kind of health energies. These all will show the personalities. That means if we use that one, we will become like that, something like. And also especially gymnastic persons will be used for this advertisement. Next one is prestige advertising company. There are some like some companies, like Microsoft, Tata, Birla, or some of the foreign companies, especially they do advertisement to show that they have such a wonderful product in the market, and also they showcase their prestige. Next one, reasoning advertising copy. Of course, some of them they reasoning, they mention, and also they do advertisement for the reasoning purpose. Next one is narrative advertising copy. They give all the details of usage of product, everything they will give. Next one is Topical advertisement. Some advertisements are also in the form of topical. Some advertisements are narrative. Some advertisements are reasoning. So these are the various advertising copy which are available in the in the market. So let me discuss the multiple choice questions for the above topic. The first question is the dash is the foundation of any advertising or marketing campaign, whether it is a research or target segmentation or creative brief or media planning. So actually, the creative brief is the foundation for any advertising and marketing plan. Creative, of course. Second question: printed matter that runs over the edge of the outdoor board or a page leaving no margin is known as options are bleed, solos, broadsheet, classified. Option is A. Next, multiple choice questions. Third question is Dash became the first full service advertising agency. So options are NW Ayer and Sons, PFCB Ulka Advertisement Limited, or Oakley Matthew or William Taylor. So answer is A. Next, Dash agency specialize in endorsement of brands in the various social media platforms like blogs, social network sites, question and answer sites and discussion forums, microblogs, etc. The option A is social media, option B is user generated contents, option C is friend feed, option 4 is social network, etc. So answer is A. Next, for fifth one, dividing the market based on age, income, educational qualification is known as profile, census, target audience, demography. So answer is demography. So the books for reference is Bhasha. The book name is Advertising and Media Management, which is from Himalaya Publication House, New Delhi. So and the second book is Batra, which is also from New Delhi Publications, and Kazi, which is from Excel Books India, New Delhi. So you can refer these books for the further information. So thank you very much for listening, and let me meet in the next session.